Do you have more bad skin days than good days? Do you suffer from skin issues such as eczema, acne, psoriasis, and skin irritation? I think 95% of what population has in one way or the other sometime suffer from this skin condition. It may be something of surprise to you that your gut might be to blame. Studies have shown that you are more likely to have skin issues if you have gut problem. Your gut and skin have a lot in common. The idea that your gut communicates with your skin is not new. So your gut and skin are connected via gut-skin axis. This is my skin 3 years ago. This is my skin 1 year back. And this is me here and now talking to you in front of the camera. I was desperate at healing my acne, but I was doing everything wrong. The bacteria in your gut communicate with inflammation causing regulatory T cells. These cells increase the likelihood of you developing inflammatory skin disorders. Keep the skincare product away and focus on your gut health. This is the essence of life. No matter what you do in this life, if your gut is not healthy, if it is not at its optimum performance on your skin, apply 1 million products on your face, you're still not gonna look good. Your gut absorbs nutrients that directly affects your skin. For example, when you consume too many high glycemic refined carbohydrates, more of the hormone is called insulin-like growth factor may be produced. And you know what insulin does to you? You know what? High sugar, high things. Your gut absorbs nutrients that causes a change in the production of your hormone. When you consume beta-carotene, it provides protection from sunburn. Likewise, when you consume vitamin A, it helps to rejuvenate your skin. How our gut health affects the most common skincare concerns. Eczema occurs when your immune system is too active. The good bacteria in your gut help keep your immune system in balance. Psoriasis is an inflammatory skin disorder that causes a rapid buildup of skin cells on your skin surface. Psoriasis affects up to 11% of people in developed countries. Psoriasis is caused by an overactive immune system. Research suggests that gut issues is a culprit as well. Gut issues causes an imbalance in your immune system, which leads to widespread of inflammation that extends to your skin. Acne is a skin disorder in which your hair follicles and their surrounding sweat glands become blocked and inflamed. About 85% of teens and young adults get acne. This is Annie's skin about 1.5 years ago, and this is Annie's skin right now, how happy and gorgeous she looks. And that's because she followed my tailored skincare routine and nutritional guidelines. So if you want to work with me, fill the questionnaire below and let's get started. Like, I'm going to tell you a specific skincare routine, give you a nutrition guideline that you need to follow to have a clear, even flawless skin. Annie was in constant case of chaos, that she was constantly and chronically stressed. By the way, there are good stress. Maybe you never heard about it, but there are good stress. Like applying makeup is a stress. Working out is a stress. There are good stress, but there are chronic stress that drains the human body. Rosacea is an acne-like inflammatory skin condition. However, unlike acne, rosacea occurs more often in adults between the age of 30 to 50. Your gut bacteria generally affects your immune system. What causes gut issues and gut health? Using antibiotics and antibacterial medication. I know there are special cases when doctors administer antibiotics and that's the only way to heal a certain ailment. I know that for sure, but if you can or if you have your way, try to avoid antibiotics. Antibiotics almost damaged my skin. It caused me dryness, jittery. I was jittery. When doctors advise that I take antibiotics for a certain treatment, I always take prebiotics and probiotics at the same time, and this is called symbiotics. It's best to be taken in the morning on an empty stomach. So try taking prebiotics and probiotics first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's going to feed your gut with all the good bacteria that the antibiotics is trying to take away from you. High levels of stress, anxiety, and depression causes gut issues. So examine your life and find out things that causes you stress and eliminate them completely, because stress causes mortality. There is this trick I always tell my client. I'm going to tell you guys so you can practice this trick. When you walk 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed, you're gonna wake up like a baby. You will sleep deeply, guys, believe me. And working not necessarily every day, because I know it's almost unattainable for a lot of people, or in the morning to get the sunlight and vitamin D. Sun is not your enemy. I would suggest that you put it into practice to walk at least 3 to 4 times weekly. Drinking too much alcohol because it's got issues. There is nothing good about drinking alcohol. You can be a social drinker once in a while. I can forgive that, but drinking every day impairs your skin, your health, and a whole lot of things. I know it's not really easy to ditch a bad habit, but you can try by curbing and stopping little by little. Let that food be like medicine. Avoid processed food. Try eating things that is as close to nature as possible. I want you to get your starch and carbs from plants. Accidentally consuming harmful chemicals from vegetables and from contaminated food. I'm a salad and fruit lover, so I always advise my clients to wash vegetables thoroughly before consuming. You can wash with either vinegar, salt, or baking soda. This is more than enough, and try to wash 2 to 3 times before eating. I know it's a little bit of work, but do it if you want a healthy, glowing skin. When you think about your skin and how beautiful you want to look, you want to put this into practice. Am I right? Consuming too many high sugar, processed food, starch, high glycemic food, all this can inflame and destroy your gut. One of the ways that I realized I was my own enemy is that I was eating spicy food. Right now, as of this day, I cannot have eggs, not in any way. I cannot have milk or any form of yogurt at all. I am severely bloated whenever I have yogurt. I used to like bananas, but bananas are not good for me. So this is why I cannot tell you generally do not eat this food, not eat that food until I know exactly what your food sensitivity is, what your food intolerances are. You know, it's different from different folks. How do you ensure that you have a healthy gut? Is eating fermented food. Examples are, and my favorite is, consume high fiber foods, and examples are, and my favorite as always is, apple cider vinegar. I know it's famous. I know it can be a little bit acidic to a lot of people, but you can dilute it with a lot of water. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper and drink first thing in the morning. It helps to detoxify your skin. Try replacing your coffee with black tea from time to time. Add bone broth to your diet. What I do is steam your meat with herbs. Remove the meat if you do not want to eat the meat, and drink this water that you've been steaming for so long with these special herbs. That is also called bone broth. We've been doing this for ages in Africa, and it really helps on the skin. Go low on calories. I'm not saying cut calories. I mean eat less frequently. Eat 3 times daily. Tomorrow can be twice. Day after can be 3 times. Try to interchange it and try fasting. I'm not saying fast every day. I do not fast every day. That will be a video for next time because fasting destroyed my life. I will never advise you or any lady to fast every given day. You can fast once or twice weekly. For instance, I can eat 6 p.m. today, and the next day I'll start eating from 4 p.m. and day after I will start eating from 9 a.m. So it depends on your body mechanisms. I hope you have understood how your gut is directly connected to your skin issues. Try these things that I have taught you in this video. Plus, be diligent with your skincare products. Come back after 1 month and tell me how your skin feels. I'm sure you will get at least 75% of the result you've been asking for. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.